Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? It's been so long. So today we will be unboxing my third cargo from Nigeria to Canada while I answer some questions that you guys actually asked me in my DM about shipping. First of all, we're going to start with which cargo company have I used so far since I relocated to Canada. The cargo company I use is Canada Cargo. I have tried one other cargo company, but they actually failed me. So for now, I have been using Canada Cargo and I am satisfied with their service. I love their service. I love what they do. They are prompt. Their service is so good. Okay, let's get right into the package. So this one is like a box. I actually got some wigs from Stephanie Dimf. It was a braided wig. This is like the second wig I'm getting from them. Let me show you. I already unboxed this, like just to confirm everything, but I just thought it would be nice to show you guys. So this is the wig. I got this for about, I think, 91k. This is like their 6x6 closure. 6x6 closure, and the wig, the braided wig. This is what it looks like. The next thing I got was these glasses from Posh Collect. My first blue light blocking glasses was from Posh Collect as well. I know you may say I don't know glasses here, but I don't know. It's just hard to find a brand that I really like. So I bought this one. They installed the anti-blue light and they made it what's this thing called again? Oh my god. They installed the anti-blue light and they made it photochromic such that if I go out in the sun, the screen will be black, but if I'm like in the house, it's transparent. So it's like both, it blocks the sunlight and also blocks blue light. Relaxing. I was running out of relaxers, so like I have just 2 sachets remaining, and I sent my friend to buy this one for me. I actually wanted to cut my hair, but while I am still deciding if I should cut it or not, I got this pack of olive relaxers. I also got this just in case for some DIYs and all of that, but after getting it, I think I don't really need it. So I don't know who is like actually in my city that needs something like this. I can give it out to you. Oh, you know that I cannot ship anything without suya pepper. Suya pepper. So I have more like about 3 or 4 that I had in my other shipping as at last year, but I just decided to stock up on this because I grill a lot and I don't want to run out of suya pepper, please. This one is a wig from Imperial Hair. I'm actually not going to tell you how much it is because they were running sales. This thing has been like in Nigeria since like last year December. That's December sales, so I decided to get it. This is like my first time having a colored wig per se. It's really nice. I have not stretched it. I've not done anything, just straight out of the box. Okay. This one is a bob wig from Guinea Hairs. You should know her. She's a very popular wig vendor on Instagram and all of that. So I got this one too. So I basically got like 2 wigs and 1 braided wig. If I'm buying things from Nigeria, I always love to include clothes from May 27 culture because most times if I'm buying like pantsuits here, their pants do not fit me. Like it's the large, I buy large clothes like size 12 because my body is not like the regular size 12. So when I buy it, it doesn't actually fit me. The pants can pass through. So I just buy pants ready-made from May 27 culture. This is what the blouse looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll just shift backwards. and it comes with a matching pants. Let me know if you want me to do like a try on haul for each of this. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Isabella Udo. I'm a Nigerian mom currently living in Canada. I love to share my everyday life, how I migrate my life as a temporary resident here in Canada. At the moment, I share hauls, skincare, food recipes, mom stuff. If this sounds like something you'll be up to, guys, hit the subscribe button, follow me, and share this video to your friends. Now, I'm going to answer the second question. How long did it take me to ship this product? So usually for Canada Cargo, it takes 10 business days. Sometimes it arrives before 10 business days. I can't exactly remember when I shipped this, but I know that it was around 27th. And then they told me, oh, around 27 or 28, but it was towards the end of the month. And they told me it will be arriving, I think, on the 9th of May. And it came in before 9th of May, actually. This is another cloth from May 27 Culture. It's still a pants ready-made wear. This is the blouse. This is what it looks like. It's like a kind of gown. And then it comes with a black pants. I also have this dress I ordered from them. I can't even show you everything, but this is everything. So far, May 27 Culture has not disappointed me. Apart from my very first order, one of the pants actually didn't fit me. Every other pants was like my perfect fit, but I don't know what happened. That particular one, and it's lilac, very beautiful, so cute. It wasn't my size. I didn't even like tell them. I think I mentioned it to them, but this time I just had to like add a few inches, because you know when you order things from Nigeria and then over time you're adding weight or losing some weight, so I just had to factor that in. So far, the fabric is good, the quality is great, the stitches are so neat. But the only problem I have with them is the timeline for delivery. Sometimes it takes 3 weeks to deliver and all of that. But actually, it's custom made, so I wouldn't want them to rush the order. So Imperial Hair sent me some nice stuff in the package alongside my wig, some brushes, some wig caps, and just some sweet, cute things. If you want to see a try-on haul of the clothes I got from May 27 Culture, I will be leaving a link to the shorts in the description section of this video or in the comment section, just somewhere around there, because I know that if I put on the clothes and then I use like the horizontal mode of my phone to record it, it's not actually going to come out nice. So I'm just going to do like the usual short uploads, and then I'll leave a link there for you to watch. Let me know if I influenced you to actually buy from this vendor or not. So everything amounted to about 10 kg. And I also paid for carton, which was about 2,000 naira at Canada Cargo. And then the shipping for the product was about 59,000. So everything was about, let's say, was it 61,000 naira? That was what I paid to ship from Canada Cargo. They actually have like list of things they can ship and list of things that they cannot ship. So I'll be leaving their contact information and an address to the store on the screen, maybe above or just below. To recap, so far I think I have answered the question, which cargo company do I use as of now? I use Canada Cargo Company. How much did it cost me to ship this product? It cost me about 61,000 naira to ship 10 kg. And then I forgot to mention, when you come, you actually have to pay custom fees, which is like $1 per kg, which they send to you like via SMS. So you can just process like an Interact transfer to them. I think what they charged me was about $11 and something. I can't remember how much I paid. As for the address, I'm going to leave the Nigerian address on the screen and the Canadian address on the screen as well, just in case you want to ship with them. And how long did it take to ship the product? It actually took 10 business days. So it wasn't up to 10 business days for me, but yeah, that's like their standard SLA for shipping. So let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if you'd want to use Canada Cargo And also let me know if you have any other questions about shipping. Ciao!